Hello, my dear subscribers and viewers. Welcome to my channel Ram's Happy Whispers. Today I'm going to talk about a wonderful topic, and that is stay happy, stay healthy. In other words, stay healthy, stay happy. If you want to be happy, all you have to do is you have to think about your health. You have to be healthy. This is very, very important. As soon as I say that you have to be healthy, everybody talks about this physical fitness. Yes, that's absolutely very, very important. You have to think about your physical fitness. You have to go have a right food as well. You have to think about right food, nutritious food, the food which is, which has fiber, vitamins, minerals, everything, whatnot. It has to be a nutritional value food. You have to eat that. Along with that, you have to go for a jog, go for a walk, or else hop, jump, run, yoga, whatever you want to do to make yourself physically fit. You go do that. So that is one thing. There is another thing in life where you have to concentrate if you want to be happy, if you want to be healthy. This is your emotional health, your intellectual health, and your mental health. What I mean about intellectual, emotional, and mental health? Well, mental health is associated with your mind, which is by and large associated with your thoughts. What kind of thoughts you're getting, what kind of thoughts you are thinking wantedly, what kind of environment you have around you. So, this all comes under this. Well, when it talks about emotional, that is happiness, sadness, fear, anger, surprise, etc. When it comes to intellectual health, what I mean is your ability to think and understand ideas and information. Well, you are getting some thoughts, well, you have some information, but you have to perceive it in a proper way. You have to understand. If you don't understand the information you have right now, that's it. What do you do with that? You cannot be happy with that. So all you have to do is you have to, this is the time to think about your emotional health, your thoughts, your intellectual ability as well. This is very important to be healthy. One way is to be physically fit, the other way is to be emotionally, mentally, and intellectually be fit. So it's time to concentrate on your own health. It's time for introspection. It's time for self-talk. It's time for self-care. So these are all very important. See, when somebody acts against us, there is, we can understand, we can avoid that person, or else we go away from that person. When your own thoughts act against you, how disastrous it would be. Can you go out of it? Can you go out away from that? How long you stay away from it? You cannot. You can't escape. There is no space and scope for escape. So it's time to think. So how do we do this? How do we address this situation? Well, what I have observed from my life is there will be a phase in everybody's life where your own thoughts act against you, where you don't understand what to do. So this is the time where you have to understand. Bit by bit you have to change everything. But one idea, one single thing, one single thought cannot change your information right now, cannot change your life. Because there are many areas you have to work on. There are multiple areas you have to think about it. One, you have to think about what kind of thoughts you have. One, you have to think about what kind of thoughts you are getting without your volunteer intention, without you thinking about some negative thoughts. At times we don't think about any negative thoughts. They do come. We don't know how to stop. We are not interested to think about it as well. But the minute we sit, the minute we think about something, unconsciously it comes to us. So this is what is we have to address. So all you have to do is, we can't do anything, but what we can do is we can think about the thoughts which are very good for us. We can set an environment which makes us happy. We can talk to some people which gives us good feed. We have to eat right food. We have to make some habits which which works us, which helps us. We have to incorporate more and more number of things which works us in our life day in and day out. So the external factors which we can address, this is again an internal health. So external factors, internal factors have to be balanced. You have to do all these things. This is a great journey. Day by day, bit by bit, you have to address all these things. So which is why these are all happy ideas. One single idea, try to incorporate into your life and see. You have to observe your life. You have to give time to yourself. You have to sit with yourself and you have to ask some questions. What is this? What is this doing with my life? What can I do to change this thing? So these questions give you some kind of answers. And then you have to see, watch a movie, go for a party, or read a good book, talk to a good friend, incorporate some good habits into your life. What gets you good? Those are good habits. So these are not pretty much common to everybody. So these changes with individuals, you have to figure out. One person might say some good things. Try to incorporate it into your life. See how far it is giving some benefits to you. If it benefits, well, you just go apply it. If it doesn't, leave it, just go incorporate some other things. This is how you have to see, this is how you have to incorporate changes into your life. Well, I think this helps many a people. Many a persons agree with me in this regard. So think of it for a second. Make changes in your life. This doesn't come in a day or two. In a blink of seconds, in a snap of fingers, you can't change your life. It takes time. It takes time. Well, what kind of a time you would want to give yourself, you have to decide. You have to decide. And how, and you have to think of your life. Okay, I want to change my life in a month. I want to change my life in 10 days. I want to change my life in 15 days. I want to change my life in 2 months. You have to give your reasonable time. In a day or two, you cannot change. If you have a habit which can be changed within a day or two, well, that's fine. If it's not, then you have to think of some other ways and means. You have to give your time. So this all comes with time. This all comes with practice. There are two things in your life you have to incorporate. One is a good habit or a practice. Through practice, you can change your life, or by incorporating some things, some habits. So habit is not a one-time event. It takes time. Every day, regular habits, regularly what you do, which in turn turns into a habit. So you all know about all these things. So it takes time. So what I'm trying to tell you is, everything comes with time. Time heals everything. Time changes everything, which means this. It's not 2 o'clock changes, it's not 3 o'clock changes, it's not 1 o'clock changes. A period of time changes some things. Keep doing everything, whatever you want to do at one time. At some period of time, it changes. So this is FNAF. This is what I want to talk about in this video. Bye bye for today.